Welcome to our very first vlog. We're about to go run some errands. This is my boyfriend's birthday weekend. His birthday is Thursday, the 19th of December, but we both work. So we're celebrating it this weekend. Actually, I already got his gift and we're just gonna go to a really nice dinner tonight. I'm gonna go get my eyebrows and my nails done right now because they desperately need it. Do the nails and the eyebrows now, and I'm also gonna get a few little like birthday goodies for him. I have a service appointment at 11 also for my car tomorrow, so this is gonna be a very productive weekend in terms of just getting things done. I really tried to film in there, but it was really hard while she was doing my eyebrows, but my eyebrows are done and I feel so much better. They are crisp. It just started raining. It's 1:30 now. And I know my nails are gonna take a little bit, so I'm gonna get something to eat really quickly and we're gonna go get our nails done. Really only got a quesito because I'm not that hungry. I got my favorite coffee. This is Black Bean Deli. They have a location in Winter Park, Orlando, and Colonial. It's like a local Cuban coffee shop basically, and they also serve food, but their coffee is the best coffee. And I've brought everyone that I know, literally I've brought them here and I've told them this is the best coffee, and they all agree. Like literally one sip of this is like crack. It's just so good. I'm completely addicted. I just finished getting my nails done and I'm really happy. It's literally so windy right now. Okay, of course you can't leave Target without looking at their cups. Isn't this the prettiest rose gold ever? Oh my, this one is beautiful too. This color is beautiful. I was gonna charge my car because I have 17 miles on it, which is my fault for letting it get 17 miles, but all the charging stations in my building are taken. So we're gonna have to wait for someone to be done, hopefully later today, and just come back out and put it on there. I'm getting ready now. I'm gonna show you guys the dress that I'm wearing. It's just like a little black dress. This has to be my favorite dress. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of lotion, probably the EOS lotion because I'm obsessed with this. Good morning, babies. So we're going to drop off my car for service right now. It's been a little bit of a hectic morning. I woke up a little late just because we did stay out late, but we are on the way. By the way, this lighting is kind of eating. I just picked my car up from service. Tires are good, brakes are good. There's not really much they needed to do. Plus I have the prepaid maintenance, so it's not that big of a deal. It's an electric car. There's not a whole lot that goes into it. So we're gonna do some shopping. We have a holiday party tonight. There's gonna be a lot of owners and people higher up in that automotive group that are gonna be there today. So I wanna make sure I look nice. We just did a little bit of shopping. I got a really cute dress, like a dark red dress with black tights, and it's chef's kiss, literally. So exhausted, you guys. I am wearing heels as per usual, and just the mall is like so packed and I feel very like overstimulated. It's just, I hate like when there's so many people where you have to kind of like bump shoulders with people just to walk through somewhere. So we just got home. We left a little bit early. We literally ate and left, which felt, you know, I was like, oh my god, are we being rude? But honestly, we're so tired and just want to go to sleep and have a good week tomorrow. I was so full because we didn't eat all day, so I literally ate so much. I was stuffed and my dress was really tight. But I'm gonna take off my makeup and just get ready for bed and kind of unwind and go to sleep. Okay, you guys, the skincare routine is done. This is my first time ever trying the Innisfree like whole little routine, and it's amazing. Like the cleanser actually makes my face feel clean, and I feel like it's actually cleaning like my pores, and it just feels so nice. The serum is amazing. It's lightweight. The moisturizer, I'm just obsessed. Like I feel really glowy, really prepped, just ready to go to sleep. And thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.